Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark, and I'm back to do an enveloping and a review of an item that I just got. Now what is in this envelope, which you already know is an autograph? Autograph of what? Who? What did I order? So enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside. Like now. Alrighty folks, so what the heck did I get in that package? Does anyone know? Beats the hell out of me, yo. It's right here. A Death Race 2000-esque poster signed by the king of low-budget features. From creature features and low-budget action features, comedy features, other things, the great Roger Corman, who of course we lost a month ago, or should I say about 3 or 2 weeks ago. He was 98, and in April he turned 98, 1 month before his passing, which was totally unexpected. I will never get a chance to meet the king of low-budget movies, and Death Race 2000 was great. And this was still one of Stallone's earliest projects, one of them. He did about 2 others, The Wonder and another project, but this was the first low-budget movie, and this would be a year before Stallone's success in Rocky and launched the careers of other actors. But all in all, folks, it's a great, and also David Carradine's in this film, among other things. And with that, let me take a view of the photos. Of the autograph itself. Hold on, folks. Here it is. You guys see that? You love it? Tell me. Come on. And this is, of course, Roger Corman's signature, by the way. And yes, it's authenticated. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed I won't get to meet the king of low-budget movies. And I heard about the name since I've kind of rented Carnosaur 2. Well, my cousin rented Carnosaur 2 frequent back when I was attending elementary school days. And heck, since then I love the second one. I didn't see the first one until junior high or freshman year, somewhere between 7th grade. And since then I love the first. I didn't like the first one, but I finally gave it a chance in 2010. At the time I was like a year done out of high school, and I liked the third one, and then all the installments were fun. And then he also did Piranha. And then what else did he do? Before that, his early producing project was Attack of the Crab Monster. And he also did Piranha. He directed and produced the film called Bloody Mama, based on a true story of Kate Ma Barker. If anybody doesn't know the name Kate Barker, she's known as Kate Ma Barker, the gunslinger in the Barker family, and a notorious woman. Grew up on a farm and then started committing these crimes with her children. Well, one is a son, and then if anybody's seen the film, check it out. But wait to get if you have the DVD, kudos to that. Don't buy the Blu-ray because I heard the transfers was crappy. I just hope Shout Select can release the film as part of the Roger Corman Cult Classics, and that whatchamacallit, I just hope it gets a better transfer than the previous Blu-ray release. I have the DVDs. It's a pretty good one. And also it has some stars, Don Stroud, who would work with Corman in other projects, including Carnosaur 2, and then Robert De Niro's in the film, by the way. That was one of his early projects, around the time he was working with Brian De Palma in other projects, low-budget satire political projects. And so yeah, and also Shelley Winters, before she was in the Poseidon Adventure and other things, this was one of her other projects she had done, which was Bloody Mama. So yeah, and among other things, he would later do other makeup effects movies, Bikesploitations, I think, and other projects, which at the end of this video, you're going to be seeing various movies that he had done in his career. and I hope you'll enjoy it as well. So yeah. So yeah, folks, let's give a salute and a moment of silence for Mr. Roger Corman. Thank you for serving our country. He was a World War II veteran, a great American producer, director, and actor, maybe a writer. But you will always be you'll always be an awesome producer and a veteran. You will be missed, sir. Rest in peace. Amen. So yeah, folks, a moment of silence for the great Roger Corman. So yeah, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups. Have any opinions, comments down below. And I'm often posting in the YouTube community at a certain time to tell you all that what time is this video going to be posted at a certain time, which would be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. So keep an eye on that as well. And also, uh, always appreciate thumbs up. Say any opinion related to the video, comments down below as well. And always appreciate thumbs ups from my fellow subscribers. Shouts to my subscribers and shouts to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all. So yeah, wow. Well, y'all, this is Barky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all, and later.